Hello everyone and welcome back to Avid Reader. In today's episode we are going to talk about cooking. Cooking is an art and science at the same time. Once we come to know the fundamentals and principles of cooking, it is really very easy to cook. I have selected two books for my reference, The Science of Cooking by Peter Barham and Kitchen Mysteries by Harvey Dess. Now I am going to tell you some fundamentals of cooking. How do we taste food? When we eat food, the molecules present in the food dissolve in saliva, which then spreads over our tongue, which makes us taste the food. That is, if the molecules present in the food do not dissolve in saliva, then we won't be able to taste the food. For example, petroleum jelly. Its molecules don't dissolve in saliva, hence we cannot taste petroleum jelly. Now, let's go to my kitchen and do some real cooking.
Is my kitchen. Cooking is an art of mixing different ingredients in proportion and heating the food using a proper heating mechanism. The instrument I am going to use here is an air fryer. The specialties of air fryer is that it is a convection oven. An air fryer holds a heating mechanism and fan. The food is placed in a basket. When we turn it on with time and temperature set, hot air covers around the food and it gets cooked.
We have a biological capability to identify the food we like. We identify it by its colors, tastes, visuals, and smells. For today's cooking, we have an onion, a capsicum, and a tomato. Well, actually, I don't really like tomatoes, so I'm not going to use it. For today, we have an onion and a capsicum.
Now we have sliced these ingredients and I am going to pack it in the tortilla after I apply the red mayonnaise. Red mayonnaise contains tomato and some spices as well. I am applying the red mayonnaise over the white mayonnaise that I had already applied. Mayonnaise is an interesting substance. Two immiscible liquids like oil and milk is mixed together using a high-speed blender using an emulsifier. So mayonnaise is an oil in milk or water emulsion.
Now I am sprinkling some capsicums over our wheat tortilla. The capsicums are rich in vitamins C, E, and A. I am putting some onions in it as well. The onions are rich in vitamins B6 and C. I am putting some more onions in it. Now this tortilla that we have just made has nutrient content of carbs, vitamins, minerals, proteins and fibers. I am using mayonnaise to secure this wrap. I am folding the other two sides of the wrap to secure it as well. Now we are going to place it in the basket of an air fryer. I have closed it and I have kept the heating of 5 minutes. The air fryer has beeped. We are opening it and see the texture has changed. There is a chemical change involved in cooking.
Now that we have taken our food wrap out, we shall cool it. So let us blow some air over it. When we blow, the cool air molecules present in the atmosphere and our mouth hit the molecules of the food packet, and the heat of hot food gets transmitted to the cool air till equilibrium happens. While cooking, the biochemicals react to each other, creating the odor of cooked food.